Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. A few years ago, an Igbo gentleman named Chima Onye Olo, an Italian citizen, an engineer by training, and a rabbinic Jew in Rome where he was living, took a leave from his very comfortable life in Europe and traveled to the state of Israel and started a case about the Igbos as one of the peoples of Israel. A lot of Israelis received him with a lot of song and dance. A lot of Israelis also did not welcome him. A case began which got up to the Supreme Court of the State of Israel. And about 15 years ago, I got wind of the case. Under no condition should Igbos and Jews have gone to any court for that matter. That's not the standard I saw in the Torah. The sons of Israel did not go to any court to resolve their issues. I resolved to solve the problem. And this book is the beginning of the resolution of that problem. Because one of the issues that came up for determination was the status of the languages we call Igbo and Hebrew. And one thing I have demonstrated in this book is that you cannot fully understand the Hebrew Bible if you don't know the Igbo language. So that settles the matter as far as the languages are concerned. If you can only understand some aspects of the Hebrew Bible if you know the Igbo language, what this tells you is that the Igbo language and the Hebrew language are sibling languages. I will wait for you to discover more yourself by getting this book and digging into it. Thank you.